On investigations on the horrifying death of the pregnant elephant taken place in Kerala, the State Forest Department there has now formed an SIT to further investigate this case in Palakkad. They have filed a case against unknown persons. Several suspects have already been questioned. So this is a forward movement in ongoing investigations is the update that we're getting here. The Forest Department though says there is no conclusive evidence that this injury was caused because of the explosion of the explosive stuffed pineapple that the elephant had consumed. That had caused it immense injury. If that is the main reason for her having passed away, no conclusive evidence on that yet, but questioning on this, which is now continuing in a setting up of an SIT, a special investigation team there as well. These are ongoing investigations with inputs that continue to come in. Remember, there has been a huge outcry in this unimaginable cruelty that this elephant was subjected to. Many have said it's unbelievable that a case as such has happened. But the probe officials so far say that they're not sure about the exact location that the elephant had strayed into. Remember, she had strayed into a village area, which was not her habitat area. Earlier, the central government stepped in as well. The Union Minister Prakash Javadekar taking note of this, condemning this, calling this an inhuman act, and asking the state government, also saying that the central government will ensure that there is no stone left unturned to nab the culprits. But there is a voice that's come in from the BJP itself. Senior BJP and MP leader Maneka Gandhi has also taken note of this. Remember, she's a noted child, animals rights activist as well, understanding the workings of this on ground far better. And this is what she said. She's spoken on the brutal killing of this elephant. She's here said that, in fact, slammed the centre, slamming both the central as well as the Kerala government here, calling them out for being callous when it comes to wildlife. This is what she said, and we'll also in fact take a listen into first what the Central Minister Prakash Javadekar stated.
Killing of an elephant in Kerala is shocking. If somebody gives firecrackers in pineapple and they get burst in the mouth, and therefore if elephant dies, this is very cruel, and this is not Indian culture. Therefore we have taken this killing in Kerala very seriously. We have already deputed our senior officers there, and we will nab the culprits and punish them.
It's not just a question of the elephant dying, though. That is really, it kills us.
Exactly.
And especially because she was to become a mother. It's also the fact is, what were the bombs doing there? That means there's a bomb factory being made, because those bombs were professional. They were not crackers, as we keep saying. A cracker needs a light. No animal would have chawed on a live cracker. That means the bomb was made in such a way that you hollow out a pineapple, you put the bomb inside, and then as soon as she bites down, it explodes. Now these bombs are being made in Malappuram, and they will be used on humans as well. So the first thing the government should look for is this.
And now the central government has also stepped in. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar has also said they have taken a serious note and action should be taken. The Kerala government says that they will also constitute a committee and an action would be taken.
But everything is constituting committees and taking action. Has the centre ever taken action against anybody? After all, the railways run over 100 elephants a year. Have the railways ever been told to go slower? Has any upay? I've had 50 meetings with them, with the railways. Each time they joke and they said, oh, we'll put bells on the hathis. I mean, has the centre ever taken in? It is the centre's invention of this word vermin. Mr. Javadekar has put every animal into vermin. So the Kerala government has picked it up, and they are making it a live thing for vermin by allowing bombs. So the word vermin should be removed. To stop private ownership of elephants completely and totally. That means no mandirs, no private parties.
Ma'am, because you have been associated with this issue for a long time, ma'am. You have worked on it. What exactly should be done? And a culprit should be sent behind the bars, ma'am.
I just told you, there is no single culprit. Who are you going to look for? The person who gave the pineapple? Nobody will tell you who that person is. After 2 days, they'll find some poor fruit shop owner and they'll send him there. You should be looking for the bomb factories.